Ugh, this group chat that I'm in is driving me nuts. It's like a constant stream of endless notifications. And don't even get me started on trying to find that one important message from last week. It's buried under a mountain of LOLs and random emojis. Seriously, is there no better way to communicate in a chat group?
Wait a minute. Have you tried using an AI-powered mobile texting app? I bet you don't even know what this app is capable of. Let me share the features with you. Text a group privately.
Okay, that's an interesting feature. Sometimes I feel like half the internet is in our group chat. I hate when other group members add other people.
Saves all your group chat members.
Oh, that's smart. No more re-adding everyone every time I get a new phone. Such a time-consuming task.
Corrects all your grammar errors.
Hallelujah. Now I won't have to rewrite my messages because this app has an auto grammar correction feature.
The ability to create text templates.
Ooh, that would be very handy for those frequently asked questions or standard replies. Great time saver.
Your bulk messages have a 15-second text delay interval, and the AI rephrases each text.
Wow, that could actually help with copy and paste messages. It would avoid misunderstandings. Sometimes the tone gets lost in text. Also, this could seriously cut down on the notification overload and would avoid triggering my carrier's spam filters for bulk messaging. Loving it.
Replies go only to you, the original text sender.
Yes, please. No more accidentally replying to the whole group when I just meant to message one person. That's a game changer right there.
The app can translate your text messages in over 40+ languages.
You have got to be kidding me. This is incredible. We have people in our group from all over the globe. This would make communication so much easier.
App can be used globally.
That ties in perfectly with the language translation. A great feature for business owners with customers in other countries or wishing to expand into other countries. This app is really thinking ahead. I've not seen this anywhere else.
Our AI app doesn't need access to your phone system, microphone, your camera, any of your files or media. And other group members can't see other group members' details, so we have eliminated spam messaging.
That's a huge relief and a plus in my books. Privacy is so important.
Your text credits never expire.
Okay, that sounds fair to me. I hate when apps make you rush to use credits or you lose what you haven't used because it's a new month.
No annoying ads.
Oh, thank goodness. I am so tired of ads popping up everywhere. Such a nuisance. This actually sounds amazing. An AI texting app that fixes all the issues I have with standard text chat groups or texting apps. I need to download this AI texting app right now.
Register and we are offering 10 complimentary credits for new app users. Use the details on this video to know more and how easy it is to get started.